Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are trying the Krabby Patty meal. So we got the hamburger, which is the Krabby Patty. By the way, I've never seen SpongeBob. I've never watched it. But I wanted to try this. So, first we're gonna try a fry and see what it tastes like. You take one.
It doesn't taste like it's from under the sea.
Tastes like it's from...
Very much like a land fry.
These are really good.
I definitely think these are better than McDonald's fries. But I'm guessing these are just standard fries.
But they did come with the meal. We never had Wendy, so I can't tell if these are regular, just like their plain fries, or if they're special ones.
I think they're just their normal fries.
Who is that?
That is Wendy.
How do you know?
Obviously.
How is it obviously? Is her full name Wendy, obviously?
They used to advertise Dave Thomas as the founder of Wendy's.
Who is Dave Thomas?
It's a good question for the internet, guys. If you know, put a comment below.
Oh, are I don't know. I don't eat Wendy's, but I know of I know some of the names of their food, and I know it kind of tastes like regular fries. Though, I'm not tasting anything fishy.
So the Frosty is supposed to be a pineapple Frosty.
We're saving that for last, though. Also, I watched a guy who plays a character in a sitcom taste test this because he has his own YouTube channel. So Brick Hack, if you guys know who I'm talking about from that sitcom, I want you guys to comment down below what is the character Brick Hack from? What sitcom is it? It's a newer sitcom though. Pause that real quick. And now we're gonna see the real Krabby Patty in real life. Here's the official Krabby Patty. Does this look like one? I can't tell because I've never watched SpongeBob. So how are we both going to eat this? Do you want to cut it in half or something?
Should we try to find a knife?
Yes. We have found a fork and a knife. Let's show them what it looks like when you cut it open.
It's like those cooking shows where they make a sandwich and then they...
Oh, this smells good. Does it smell good to you? Which half do you want to have?
I'm getting the one with the onion tentacle here.
Alright. I'll try this half. You try it first. Alright, I'll try it before we say what it tastes like. Now it's my turn.
I'm going to use 2 hands. Keep it together.
This is a real American burger.
The meat is good. It's got some sort of a dressing on it, like Thousand Island dressing or something.
We have the secret ingredient. This tastes like a burger.
Wow, you ate that pretty quick.
So we've tasted the secret ingredient inside of it. Don't tell Plankton they're here.
Doesn't taste like crab at all.
Plankton, what?
Doesn't taste like crab at all. I don't know if the Krabby Patty is supposed to be some sort of crab cakes or.
These fries are also really good. So when I watched the guy who plays the character of Brick Heck in a sitcom, he had said that the sauce on it has a slight hint of fish. Did you taste any fish in the sauce?
Mm-mm. It reminded me of Thousand Island dressing.
Some people are saying it's like a ripoff of the sauce from the Big Mac.
Mm.
You think that's true at all, or do you think it has its own special taste?
It tastes like a salad dressing to me. Like something you would put on a salad.
I enjoyed that. It was actually good. Alright, so he's trying his first piece of it. How's it?
I'd say a little bit weak. It's not bad. I like it.
Alright, let's... So I'm gonna try it now.
There's some kind of pineapple syrup in it.
When you use the straw, you can taste the pineapple better. Because it's right on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, all the pineapples on the bottom.
You had a bit of a funny face when you first tried it.
Yeah. That's like a weird taste.
So if you ordered it again, would you go with the Frosty or would you get a soda instead?
I'd probably go with the soda, honestly. Or just one of the regular Frosties.
Mm.
Like, at first it's like, oh, I can taste it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's like you said, it's weak. But I mean, what else would they do to a Frosty to make it SpongeBob related?
I like the pineapple flavor. That's
who
cool.
lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Now, like, because it is a very weird flavor too. Like, I'd compare it to some kind of, like, What is the one thing that they have at Disney that has the pineapple and the ice cream?
Oh, I don't remember.
But it's like that.
It's famous too.
Like a pineapple and ice cream. It's like pineapple and ice cream. But I mean, it's fine now. I'm starting to get used to the taste, but it's like it's not bad. Now, what Atticus Schaffer said in his video reviewing it is he wouldn't buy it again. Like, he would only get it as a treat maybe, but he wouldn't buy the thing again. So do you agree with, like, you wouldn't buy it again? Like, if you were coming here for like a lunch, would you buy this?
I'm probably likely to get a regular burger and fries. Maybe not the pineapple frosty.
I like their regular Frosties better. For like, I think a cool idea for if they were to ever do another collab Wendy's, the meal idea. So they should do a Venom collab. And here's my idea for the Venom collab meal. So it would come with all the same stuff, but different flavored stuff. So the burger. Okay, so the burger would be Venom themed burger. It would be a black burger. Like the buns would be black. And then with like white lines all over it to be like the white veins on Venom in the movie. The movie adaptation of him. And it would have like maybe like some like tomatoes sticking out of the front of it to be like the tongue. A string of tomato like from the edge as like the tongue. And then it would have like white some kind of sauce like on the bread to look like the eyes. And then like they could put like some kind of, I don't know, stuff to look like the teeth. And then you'd have the Venom burger. And then the fries would be like yellow, maybe like yellow and red to do Scream. The Scream symbiote. And then for the Frosty, I think should be Carnage. Maybe like a dark chocolate with strawberry syrup. Because it would be like black and red like Carnage's. So they would have like a dark chocolate strawberry syrup Frosty.
I'll have to see if anybody comes out with one.
They should just make a regular dark chocolate one too. I wonder what it would taste like. A dark chocolate Frosty. Has there ever been a dark chocolate ice cream ever made? I feel like regular chocolate ice cream is just dark chocolate already. Like, what do you think? Like, don't you think chocolate ice cream is already just dark chocolate?
Isn't it already milk chocolate? Because there's the cream in it.
Yeah, but it tastes more like dark chocolate because it isn't as sweet as milk chocolate. I mean, like the flavor. Does the flavor of chocolate ice cream taste more like dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
I think milk chocolate, but
it depends on what brand. I honestly don't think it would be good though. A dark chocolate ice cream. I feel like it would taste weird.
well, maybe that'll be our next quest. See what we can find.